You do it again, do it again.
Alright, guys.
I wrote down how. I said how. I went how you. Oh, that tasted like bacon. Old chewed up bacon.
Oh, God.
Burnt bacon, too. And eggs. With pancakes. And soda.
Anything else?
And
Toilet water?
hamburger.
Toilet water? Anything else?
I said last night's hamburger. Last night's blue hamburger. And that one tasted like Pringles.
Pringles!
I had Pringles before I came here, so I was like, bruh. Bruh. I think I get some bruh.
Oh my God. You're like,
Now what was that?
What about in the box of games? Sarah, we're going to guide them out of town.
Mike's golden puns.
Okay, look. I know that this isn't the right time for it, but, okay. Mike, there it is. I swear it doesn't have an endoskeleton yet. It's up and about. Stand back, Jeremy. I must take this golden opportunity. Mike, are you serious? What, you can't bear my golden jokes? Oh my God! I am